Hey everybody, it's Amanda Munson back from Country Creations. Just wanted to kind of give you a little bit of a lowdown of what I mean by Country Creations. One of the things I do with Country Creations is I do cup designing, just like a lot of people that do it that are online. My cups end up a little bit different than a lot of people. Instead of having a smooth surface on a lot of my cups, all have little dots to help you have a better grip on your cup. So that is one of the multiple things that I do with my country creations. Another thing that I am getting ready to branch out into doing is I will be starting to make personalized shirts and hats and a lot of other things to go along with them. I also want to take you guys to a website that I also have available. So I'm going to share my page with you right quick. And let's see if I can get it to pop up here. Oh, there it is, Teespring. And this is a place that you guys could go yourself if you want to start your own online business. Okay, I'm going to log in right quick. All right. So now that we're in our store here, this is our back office after you make your site and everything, you're ready to get going. You have all these different options right over here that you can choose from. You can go to home, analyze, list, store, payout, my purchases, tools and services, integrate. Integrating is when you can integrate from, let's say, Teespring to Etsy or Teespring to Facebook or Teespring to YouTube. You can do all sorts of things with it. But I want to show you guys my own personalized store that I have started. Okay, so here is my store that I have started myself. This store has a lot of, as you can tell, Jack. And I bet a lot of you guys know the movie behind that, The Nightmare Before Christmas. It is one of my favorite movies. And then I also have butterflies, cups, shirts, pants, phone cases, bags, all kinds of things on here that people can buy just by going to the site, taking a look at what I have for sale, ordering it. Teespring does take out a percentage for their own for selling your stuff on their site and for making it for you for other people to purchase it. So just keep that in mind when you're making it. Now, on the other hand about it is when you go back to going into your own, and let's just say I'm going to start a design here just for demonstration purposes for you guys. Okay, say I want to do, let's just say apparel. Okay, so we have all these different shirts and stuff of different apparel that we might want to do. We're going to do women's comfy tee. Okay, now we're going to add an image of what we might want. And we cannot see that. It's very good. Okay, so since we can't see it, we're going to do black. Okay, so you can change the colors of your shirts. So we'll do black, red, purple, blue, orange, green, pink, and it's kind of a navy, blackish blue color. Okay, so this is the front, and then this will be the back, plain Jane. That is all it takes to do that. You press done. Okay, then you're going to go down here and you can set your own price of what you want it to be. Say you don't want it for $25.99. You want it a little bit cheaper. You go in here and you do 20. But whenever price you choose to do your shirt for, you will see how much your profit is of what you're going to get that's right beside it. That's right here. Okay. And then from there, you're going to go on down here and you'll see other countries, what they're going to pay for it too. Okay. Then you're going to click continue. And then once you get it continued, then you have to select the style of shirt you want, whether you want unisex men's t-shirts, just women's t-shirts, stuff like that. I am going to do, let's see. We'll do a little bit of each. Okay. So then I want to, yeah, those are okay prices for right now. Okay, now you're gonna want to decide what you want to put on your title. So I'm gonna put Bestie of the Bride. So we'll put bridesmaid. And then down here, just in time for your wedding. Get your girls a shirt they will love. Exclamation. Okay. Now that you've done that, you've given it a description, your role will be get bridesmaid. Okay, so now we'll public it, country creations, because that is my personal store, and publish listing. And then it tells you to hold tight. So we'll hold tight, and it's going to save up to 0 to 3 products. So while we're waiting on this, that is just the easiest way to get your product out there for other people to see what you have available if you're wanting to start out your own store. There's coffee cups, there's face masks, there's pin bags, all kinds of things that you can do. Here is a store. Now you have a chance of buying one yourself so you can see exactly what you're going to be giving the other people by ordering samples of what they have available. So that is just one of the things that I do online with my own business is I have a store online. People can go on there and shop what I have available. Other than my own cups that I do myself, shirts, hats, etc. On those kinds of things, I go into my Etsy account, which I have on my phone, and I plug them into there and put the information into it. That will be included onto one of my next videos will be how to do Etsy through your phone online. So I hope you guys had a wonderful day watching the video, and I hope I haven't been too much of a bore giving you this information on how to start your own business through teespring.com. You all have a wonderful day. I hope to see you again on my page. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for you will know when my next videos are available. See you guys soon. Bye bye.